In this question, let's assume that Stephanie received proceeds from an inheritance. She wants to set aside enough on March 15th so that she's going to have $15,000 available September 28th. Let's assume that the current interest rates on investments that last from 181 to 270 days is 3.75% simple interest. What amount should she deposit now in order to get that $15,000 she needs September 28th? Here, let's use the future value formula for simple interest, and let's rearrange so that we are solving for the principal amount. But before I go substituting values into the formula that I have on the left, I do want to do a quick days between dates calculation, just to make sure that the number of days between March 15th and September 28th is somewhere in the neighborhood of 181 to 270. So let's quickly go into the date function. We're going to program in March 15th as 3.15, and I've just picked the year 2015 here. Date number 2, we're going to program in as September 28th, so 9.28. Let's also take the year 15. Enter, and then we're going to go ahead and compute the number of days between dates. We see that it's 197 days. So because this number lands within the range of 181 to 270, we know that our interest rate is 3.75 simple interest. This means we can come back to our formula. We know that we want $15,000 in the future. We know that our simple interest rate is 3.75, and we actually just calculated the days between dates as 197. So we're going to put that in as 197 over 365. We'll start by putting 15,000 into our calculator, then dividing by open bracket 1 plus 0.0375 times 197 and divide by 365. Close that bracket and then hit the equal sign, and that should give us our principal amount. So if we wanted to have $15,000 available September 28th, we should be depositing $14,702.43 today, on March 15th.